don't go over the guardrails. That's the plan.
That's the plan, not over the guardrail.
Just bump into it though.
Roll over.
No, we can do one rollover. You're allowed one rollover.
Sure, we're allowed to do one. You might as well do two. How would they know the difference?
Before the breakup of the supercontinent Gondwana, in the vicinity of today's canyon, there were deep fissures in the Earth's crust. Some 350 million years ago, part of this surface caved in along these fissures and a rift valley of about 18 miles wide emerged. The Fish River chose this rift for its course and meandered through the flat valley in a wide looping belt. The ancient southern supercontinent of Gondwana broke up around 120 million years ago, and South America and Africa drifted apart. The rims of the African fragment rose dramatically. Namibia's interior is a high plateau even today. From its source, the Garib, or the Orange River, dug even deeper into the earth, and the Fish River, its tributary, followed suit on the high plateau in southern Namibia as the continent rose. So the shallow meandering belt cut into the sediments and the underlying basement rock, and the Fish River's winding system of gorges were formed. The Fish River Canyon is 160 kilometers long, up to 1,800 feet deep in places, and 18 miles across at the widest. It is the largest canyon system in Africa and the second largest in the world after the Grand Canyon. It is protected by the state-run Ice Transfrontier National Park in the south, and it is certainly one of Africa's least visited wonders. As it is not so easily accessible, there are no tourist crowds, and we found that we would enjoy the canyon views almost alone. We left Hiker's Viewpoint and drove about 10 kilometers to Sulphur Springs Viewpoint, the vistas equally inspiring and beautiful. Kilometers further, we reached the end of the 4x4 trail at Eagles Rock Viewpoint. Here we launched the drone and captured some of the most dramatic images of our whole trip. The majesty and glory of nature, the humbling power that sculptured these monuments over millions of years.
This is our first sundowner
Cheers. Yeah.
in Africa.
Downer.
Cheers.
First
Cheers.
special pink tonic. How about that? Okay, I'd like some commentary on today. I'll start by saying that if I planned it, I don't think this day could have been more perfect.
Oh, it turned out to be a perfect day because our little drone came home.
We only lost him twice.
Our road in the fish river.